Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the latest innovation from Meter, the Meter 2 Plus wireless meat thermometer. Meter has built a reputation for quality in the world of cooking gadgets, and this new model promises some exciting upgrades. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Starting with the design, the Meter 2 Plus impresses with its sleek and compact build. It's noticeably slimmer than its predecessor, which makes handling and storage much easier. The new full-metal, stainless steel probe not only looks premium but also enhances durability. It's designed to withstand high temperatures up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for everything from grilling to deep frying. What sets the Meter 2 Plus apart are its internal sensors. It boasts a total of 5 sensors now, including 4 additional ones for more precise temperature readings. This setup provides a detailed view of the meat's core temperature, helping you achieve perfect doneness every time. The app interface displays real-time temperatures from all sensors and guides you through various cooking stages. Whether you're smoking, grilling, or roasting, one of the standout features is the Meter app itself. It not only monitors temperatures but also offers cooking guidance and recipes. The app has been updated with a masterclass feature, offering over 50 video courses on different cooking techniques. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned chef, these resources can elevate your cooking game. In terms of connectivity, the Meter 2 Plus utilizes Bluetooth technology with an enhanced range of up to 250 feet. This is a significant improvement over its predecessor, ensuring a stable connection even when you're not right next to your grill or oven. For unlimited range, you can link it with Meter Link for Wi-Fi or Meter Cloud, although this requires an additional device. Battery life has also seen an upgrade. The Meter 2 Plus can now be recharged for up to 2 years with a single AAA battery. Charging efficiency has been improved, with a quick 15-minute charge providing enough power for a 12-hour cooking session. This is incredibly convenient, ensuring you're never left waiting due to a dead battery. Having tested the Meter 2 Plus in various cooking scenarios, I found it to be remarkably easy to use. The wireless design eliminates the hassle of tangled cables. And the waterproof construction means you can confidently use it in any cooking environment. Cleaning is a breeze too. You can simply toss it in the dishwasher after use. In conclusion, the Meter 2 Plus sets a new standard for wireless meat thermometers. With enhanced accuracy, durability, and a user-friendly app, it's a valuable tool for anyone serious about cooking. While it comes at a premium price, the features and performance justify the investment for passionate home cooks and grill masters alike. That wraps up our review of the Meter 2 Plus. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Let me know in the comments if you've tried the Meter 2 Plus or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.